Innovative and competitive solutions over the entire vehicle life cycle. That's what Knorr-Bremse RailServices stands for, as a strategic service partner for rail vehicle operators and manufacturers. Hello, and welcome to Knorr-Bremse RailServices Availability Solutions. The rapid transformation and increasing complexity of mobility requires full transparency of all maintenance and operating processes. By supporting digital and automated maintenance, process flows and safety solutions, vehicle and fleet availability in rail operations can be ensured and further increased. Non-optimized and unscheduled maintenance activities and inadequate information on system status and performance, accompanied by non-available or low-quality spare parts, all contribute to unnecessary vehicle downtime. Additionally, external threats such as accidents, cyber attack, or human error can happen anytime and hit hard if you're unprepared for them. Knorr-Bremse takes over the operational responsibility of its systems over the long term. We monitor the systems and even actively manage your subsystem obsolescence. With automated or manual order processes, we deliver top-quality original spare parts on time. We take care of your overhauls, maintenance and repair, working to our usual excellent service standards, which we are constantly improving. Together we optimize your operations. You would like to cybersecure your fleet or upgrade a safety function to your operations? We'll take care of it, and you can focus on your core business. Keep your fleet running with Knorr-Bremse RailServices Availability Solutions.